you are going to have a grown-up do this for you, if kids are watching this right now. And you're gonna just take these off and slice it onto one of these. You have to have a bun to do this. And then you can do whatever you want for the topping. You can even go crazy for the topping. I'm gonna show you how we will do our side dishes. Millions of people like millions of side dishes. Hot dogs, we are done. Millions of people like millions of side dishes. So, tonight, we cooked mac and cheese. Very good. I'll show you. You have to stir it up 3 times. 5 minutes, wait, and then stir it up
Can
again.
we get a close up?
Yes, and I'm going to and I'm going to try it. Buttery. I like butter. What you want to do is put butter into the thing. Put butter into a bowl if you have it. This is side dishes you can cook inside if you want. We're going to cook. So, we're going to get the mac and cheese. You put butter before you put any other mac and cheese in.
All right.
And you have a butter in a big bowl.
McKenna.
Like a pan bowl. And you put butter in it. You let it melt.